Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ni Kapuso PR Girl. Grabe, announcement ng Beauty Empire. Akala ko 24 oras pa pero pinalabas na siya ngayon. At yun na nga, GMA Network, Crizayan Studios, and View Philippines collaborate on a revenge drama series Beauty Empire. The Philippine media giant GMA Network International Film and TV Production Distribution Company Crizayan Studios and leading a pan-regional, over-the-top video streaming service View is set to deliver the revenge drama series Beauty Empire. The collaboration was made official during the contract signing held in March 17 at GMA Network Studios. Representing the three companies were GMA's Senior Vice President for Program and Talent Management Worldwide and Support Group, Annette Gozon Valdez. In her message, Attorney Gozon Valdez underscored how the latest collaboration with two industry players is aligned with GMA Network's vision in creating more content for diverse audiences. I would like to thank our partners View and Crizayan for uniting with GMA to bring you this very special project. Alam naman natin na ang lahat ng Pilipino ay nagsisikap, dumidiskarte at nagpapakahirap at gustong masenso para sa pamilya. But in this particular series, we will show you in a very different and modern way what millions of Filipinos are doing right now. And I'm very happy that two of our most beloved and best GMA artists are leading Beauty Empire, Barbie Forteza and Carlene Alcantara. Created by award-winning filmmaker Rael Florido and seasoned screenwriter Rona Co of Crizayan Studios, Beauty Empire is a fresh take on Filipino story that inspires everyone to redefine their own beauty standards while giving viewers an insider look into the local beauty industry. Produced by GMA Public Affairs based on the original concept by Crizayan Studios, Beauty Empire delves into the fierce rivalry among powerful women in their cutthroat beauty industry where ambition, revenge, and power take center stage. The series is headlined by Barbie Forteza, Ms. Rufa Gutierrez, Carlene Alcantara, and Ms. Gloria Diaz, who attended the contract signing together with the cast members Sam Concepcion, Choi Bumin, and Shai Fonasher as part of the cast. Also part of the cast is Sid Lucero. Beauty Empire is currently in production and is scheduled to premiere soon on View before it makes its debut on GMA Network. Ay, mauna siyang mapanood sa View bago sa GMA, grabe. At ang chismis nga ay, ayun guys, puti na lang tanong ko, bawal pa pala siyang ilabas. At ito na guys, more pictures nga from the Beauty Empire contract sign. Napakatagal na pala nito, parang isang buwan ago, pero sinikreto lang ng GMA at View. So wala nga naglabas na ng pictures or video about this contract signing. At napaka-sexy nung suit ni Barbie. May paano, cleavage. Barbie and Miss Carlene Alcantara. At ito na nga si Choi Bumin at si Sam Concepcion. Nabalot si Sam ngayon, nakakainis. Walang pa bicep si Sam. At ito nga, Instagram post ni Barbie Forteza, beauty is such a strong force. She uses it to get the things she wants. However, this time, she will use it to fight for what's rightfully hers. Soon on GMA Primetime. Grabe, mas maganda talaga si Barbie pag mahaba yung hair. Anyway, ayan na nga. Yung di pa siya nagpapagupit ng hair, guys, sa Beauty Empire. Napakagandang si Barbie. Ayan, si Choi Bumin. Ayan na nga, Barbie and Carlene. And then, Sam Concepcion and Choi Bumin. And Barbie and Choi Bumin. At ito, diba? Pak na pak yung si Barbie Forteza dito. Napaka-pretty. At ito na nga, silang dalawa. Post to ni Miss Carlene Alcantara na re-post ni Barbie. Mariko, isa sa mga pangarap ko ang makatrabaho kita sa isang teleserye. Finally, mahal na mahal kita Mariko. At sumagot naman si Barbie na, pangarap nating dalawa to, excited na ako, mahal na mahal kita. Oy, grabe yung grabe yung friendship nitong dalawang to. Love talaga yung pinag-uusapan, di ba? At actually, ang dami na ang behind the scenes dati na mamatay kakatawa si Carlene talaga pagkatabi niya si Barbie Forteza. Anyway guys, post ng View Philippines, serving drama, serving beauty, serving empire. GMA's Crizayan Studios and View join forces for a series that will redefine beauty, power, and ambition. Beauty Empire coming soon on View. Let's watch this.
we are gathered here to witness the forging of a groundbreaking partnership between GMA Network, View Philippines, and Creation Studios for the highly anticipated drama series titled Beauty Empire.
I just like to thank our partners, View and Creation, for uniting with GMA to bring to you this very, very special project.
View Philippines, we've always been about bringing the best of premium Asian content to the rest of the world. We started with Korean drama, and I think there's no reason why Filipino content shouldn't be part of that conversation.
On behalf of Creation Studios, we would like to express our gratitude to our partners, GMA7 and View, for this incredible collaboration.
I'm very, very happy that two of our most beloved and best Sparkle artists, not just Sparkle but GMA artists, are leading this soap opera. Of course, Barbie Fortesa and Kailin Alcantara. And of course, we'd like to welcome Bo Min. It's such an honor for us to have you in this soap opera. And aside from the other cast, I just like to acknowledge, of course, the beauty queens, the true beauty queens na tamang-tama naman sa Beauty Empire. Of course, former Miss Universe, Gloria Diaz. And second princess of Miss World, Rupa Gutierrez.
And it's truly inspiring to sit alongside some of the best creatives and industry leaders, individuals who share the same passion, commitment, and vision to create excellent or high quality content, to promote the Filipino values, and of course to tell stories that truly matter.
So really, I want to thank Creation, RJ Real, and Annette, GMA, for working with us on this project, because that's really our goal, and we want Filipino content to be part of that statement. When we bring the best of premium Asian content, it includes Filipino content.
Beauty Empire delves into the fierce rivalry among powerful women in the cutthroat beauty industry, where ambition, revenge, and power take center stage.
Actually, walang nag-post nun. Ito lang yung nag-post nun nung panahon na yon, yung March 17, yung galing kay Clay sa Twitter. And next is Miss Kailin Alcantara, wearing a violet dress. Ayun na, napaka-sexy. Backless na si Miss Kailin Alcantara. At ito yung ito galing naman kay Miss Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang TikTok post. Beauty is such a strong force. She uses it to get the thing she wants. However, this time she will use it to fight for what's rightfully hers. Beauty Empire soon on GMA Primetime. Let's watch this. Ayun na, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ayun. O, diba? Sobra puti. At saka bagay na bagay niya yung suit niya. Parang naglo-long leg siya ng konti. Ayan na. O, diba? At may pa-cleavage. Ayan na. Napaka-pretty si Barbie. Si Miss Rupa Gutierrez. Ang tangkat-tangkat naman masyado ni Miss Rupa. Ayan ba? May paano pa siya. Strutting on the runway. Ayan, Choy Booming. Ay, wow, umiyak si Barbie dun, ha? O, diba? Kailin. Ayan na nga, guys. So, may yakap-yakap pa. At yan, the beautiful Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next naman ay Storycon ng Beauty Empire na may konting video. Let's watch this.
Who will survive this war? Ang pinakamagandang labanan ng puso ang puhunan. Beauty Empire.
At next naman ay Beauty Empire script reading. First time for the actors to read the script. Galing Instagram story ni Bid Bad Bawang, si Miss Garlic. Let's watch this.
No! What we need to fix is your attitude. You will apologize to Nori Alfonso now! Dahil ang gusto ko ay kunin siya to work with you para sa pitching ng campaign collab with Tara Park.
Si Tara Park? Yung sa Dark Island K-pop group po? The Tara Park collab is mine alone. Matagal ko na pinaghandaan ang pitch sa kanya. So sino po sinalita to work with me?
Someone who is tapping a market na hindi mo nakukuha. Everything's there. For us to go global, kailangan makuha natin ang solid local market na Class C and D. At hindi ka nila gusto, Shari.
Oh, so the great idea is for a micro-influencer like her to join me and Tara?
Tama na!
Luka-lukang Barbie. Wala man yata sa script yung tama na. Pinapatigil niya lang talaga yung ano. Script reading. Addict. Kaya tawang-tawa sa kanya si si Kailin lagi. Ginagawa niya comedy lahat ng bagay. Grabe.
Ang bilis mo kasing makahanap ng pagpapasahan ng corona.
Hindi pa ba kayo napapagod sa pagkaka-passive-aggressive?
I'm just saying, any of those two can replace you now. Magagaling ang mga bata.
Oh no, Ma. We're just starting here. Madami pa akong gagawin dito sa Velma Beauty.
You're getting too old to be focused on your career, Velma. Hindi pa dapat pagkakaroon na ng baby ang ginagawa mo? Hindi ba dapat pagkakaroon na ng baby ang ginagawa mo?
San Josepo.
What?
Inspired this respectful showing or very hospitable gesture. Maruna ako makisama. Tagay!
Ay na guys, so mukhang may Korean Tagalog lines si Choi Bumin do sa script reading. Actually, yun na yung actual script, no? So, kung napakinggan nyo, si Shari ay si Miss Kailin Alcantara. Yun yung kanyang name, character. Tapos si Noreen Apostol naman si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Yung project nila na isa ay yung Far Afar. Pero yung si Velma ay si Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Nanay niya si Miss Gloria Diaz at yung kanilang company ay Velma Beauty. At si Barbie Don or Sir Noreen Apostol ay isang micro-influencer na sinabi ni Miss Kailin Alcantara. At least meron na tayong alam doon sa mga characters, diba? Kahit konti lang. At si Sid Lucero pala ay asawa ni Miss Rupa Gutierrez doon sa movie. At dahil nga dyan guys, ay trending nga ang hashtag Barbie Fortesa kaninang 1:46 PM dahil sa Beauty Empire. Grabe, excited na lahat. At ito nga Instagram story ni Barbie Fortesa. Here we go. Mark De La Cruz, it's Kailin Alcantara. Tapos post from Deadline, GMA Network and Crisayan team with View Philippines drama series Beauty Empire. At next naman ay post ni Kuya Niel Serrano, willing kaya pumasok si Barbie Fortesa sa PBB House kaso baka raw may magalit. Sino kaya? Abangan natin si Barbie sa teleserye ng GMA na Beauty Empire. Barbie Fortesa, GMA Network. Let's watch this.
Paano pag pinapasok ka sa bahay ni Kuya, willing ka ba?
Hindi ko pa naisip, pero nakakakaba, nakakatakot.
Kasi si Sanya, pumasok na dun eh.
Ay, talaga? Kamusta?
Okay naman, nakapag-date siya.
Nakapag-date siya?
Oo.
Teka nga, hindi niya alam na pumasok sa PBB House si Sanya. Eh, laging, ang dami-dami niyang post tungkol doon. So, ibig sabihin, nakamute siya kay Sanya. Judgment.
Parang sige pala. Hindi, baka may magalit.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Teka, sino magagalit? Eh, wala man siyang jowa. Parents niya, ganun. Hindi siguro. Teka nga, analyze natin, no? Kasi kung sakali man na may secret boyfriend si Barbie na may magagalit, eh yun lang pinagkikis niya si David. Kagalit-galit na yun, di ba? 2 beses niyang kinis dun sa sa premiere night. Hindi ba magagalit yung guy noon, di ba? So baka si D yung ganun na ba yun? Grabe. Wala pa kasing confirmation, nakakainis. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates in my next vlog. Bye!